Hello, everyone. You're welcome to my online YouTube channel, Akeem. We are giving another question still on addition and subtraction of a number base. Look at this question. We are giving if the following addition was performed in base 3, that means this one is in base 3, and base 3. What is the missing number? How are we going to do it? We are still going to solve it using the normal arithmetic process, but we have to put into consideration the base 3. How are we going to solve it? For us to solve it, if we are given something like this, 2 plus x plus 1 is equal to 4, and we are asked to find x, how can we get the x? Of course, we know we are going to collect like terms on the left hand side. We first add these 2 and 1 together. After getting the answer, we now move them to the other side. That is the same thing that we are going to do here. For us to solve it, we are going to add the first one and the third one together. When you get the answer to the two of them, you will now subtract the answer from these answer here, 10110. Then you get your final answer. This is what I'm saying. That means we are going to have 2002 base 3 plus 211. We first add the two of them together since it is addition. If you do that, you are going to have, don't forget your base 3, base 3. So we have 2 plus 2, that is 4. But we cannot put the 4 here because we are dealing with base 3. That means we are going to have 4 divided by 3. That will give us 1. Remainder 1. So here I have 1 here. I'll move the remainder to this side. I have the 1. 1 plus 0 is 0. Plus 1, that is 2. 2 is less than 3. So obviously I'll just put 2 there. And I have 1 here. 0 plus 1 will give us 1. Why I'll put the 2 here. So from there, I have gotten the answer to the addition of these two. That means I'm now going to subtract this answer now from this. So if you do that, you are going to have, this. We have our answer 10110. We are going to subtract this from it. And this one will give us 1, 2, 1, 2. Base 3, base 3. Minus sign here. Where do we go? It's 0 minus 1. Impossible. So I'm going to borrow 1 from here. If I borrow 1 from here, this one will remain 0. Then the one I borrow now will now be 3 plus 0. This one now will now become 3. I have 3 minus 1. The 0 is no more. So I have 3 minus 1. That will give us 2. Now, I am left with 0 here. So I have to, 0 minus 2 is impossible. So I'm going to borrow another 1 from here. If I borrow the 1 here now, the 1 becomes 3 when it comes to this place. So I have 3 minus 3 plus 0. So I have 3 left here. So we are going to have 3 minus 2. That will give us 1. What do we have left here? That is 0. So we have 0 minus 1 again. That is impossible. So we can now come to this place now and borrow this particular one. When you borrow the 1 now, this one will be left with the 0. Then we have 3 here. So it will now, this one now will now be 3. Because 3 plus 0 will still give us 3. So we are left with 3 here. But we have to borrow again because this is not where we are going. We need to get an answer to this place. So here now we borrow another 1 from here. If you borrow 1 from 3, this one will remain 2. Then here you have the 3. 3 minus 1 now will give us 2. Why this one is 2 minus 2 is 0, is 0. The 0 is useless. I will cancel it. So our final answer now will now be 3. So therefore, our x will now be equal to 212 base 3. As you can see, this is mathematics made easy by Akeem. Join us in our next episode. God bless you.